Wow, I could have had a V8, a LEEHUR V8 that is, which is what you're looking at here. A very amazing $10 or less smartwatch with a camera, forward-facing, dialer, and messaging using either a SIM card or Bluetooth connection to your phone. Yep, dual mode in this tiny package with camera and a whole bunch of other things that you can do, including audio player with songs you can save to a microSD card that you put in the back of this watch. You got remote camera capabilities, calendars, calculators, alarms, all kinds of features, last night's sleep time, sedentary reminders, a pedometer, all of the exercise stuff, file manager for accessing those music files or pictures. You've got a world clock that once you get it all set up will tell you the time anywhere in the world. And of course you can link in Facebook, Twitter, a browser, WhatsApp, all of that stuff. Dialing is here with a separate dialer, call logs, and your phone book, either associated with the SIM card in it or brought over from your phone from your Bluetooth connection. All in all, it's a really interesting, totally plastic, USB charged directly from the side, the old technology. It's certainly not waterproof. It's under $10 and fully capable of using a SIM card in the back and microSD card, all hiding behind the battery. There you go. Definitely a little add-on thing to your order. Check it out. It's the LEEHUR V8.